So the next topic that we are going to go through is the linked list implementation of queues. Now in queues, as in our implementation, we saw there are two pointers which have been used, that is the head pointer and the tail pointer. It is the same thing for linked list implementation. So the basic concept is there are two pointers which have been used. Now let's see what happens when we enqueue a value. Now automatically the head pointer and the tail pointer points to the value of the first node, that is 65. Now when I enter the second value, since this is the enqueue option, only the tail pointer's value is being is becoming different and is pointing to the value of the second node. So again, while we are enqueuing a value, the tail pointer is being used, and if we dequeue the values, the head pointer will be used. So now I will be entering a few values into this queue. You can see that only the tail pointer is being used to when I am enqueuing it. Now let me dequeue the values from the queue. So as I dequeue the values, the head pointer points to the next node. Now the reason why this happens, why there are two pointers basically, is that the queue works on the property of first in first out. Now since 65 was the value which was entered first, that has to be removed first. So the head pointer basically works from the back, removing the values one by one in the order which it was entered. So that is why there are two pointers in queues. Now let me dequeue this. So 68 gets dequeued and the head pointer points to 98, the value of the next node. And when I dequeue this again, so this becomes the only value in the queue, and if I dequeue this, the entire queue gets cleared. So that's about it for linked list implementation of queues. Again, the major point to be noted about using linked list implementation is that a lot of memory space gets saved, because you do not have to declare an array or anything like that at the beginning of your program. Instead, with the help of pointers, you can use only the required amount of data.